15 Wagon eggs. 57 Wagon eggs. $57 Wagon eggs. We're pumping nuts. Pumping nuts today. We got, holy shit, I am literally fucking fried right now. Like fried out my head. I feel mentally deranged. Alright, so and for trading today, got session liquidity under us. We got PM session liquidity under us. It's Monday. And I think we got hella fucking news. I think we got hella news today. First thing you guys should be doing in the morning before you trade is check the news, because sometimes 9:30 drops and there's some crazy ass news at 9:30 or 10 and you end up getting screwed. And ISM manufacturing, I just look at the red ones pretty much, and the orange ones, and the ones from US. Those ones that really are the ones that are like the big factors in trading. Yeah, nothing we have to worry about really. 10 o'clock PMI. I want to short. I want to short the market. How's everything sound? Everything is alright. Can y'all hear the jazz? Can you hear the jazz music? Can y'all hear the jazz music? I just heard my echo in the in the background. I think these are going to be the draws for the day. But I just want to get a good execution. Mic is low. Yeah, my shit is low key. Bumbaclot! Alright, that should be better. That should be better. Alright, chicken shits. We got AM highs right above us. But I don't even think we're gonna make it. I don't think we're gonna make it even up there. Genuinely. I think we're just gonna crash. Right off market open, I think we're gonna go straight to these lows. $160-point move. Versus a 200-point move, almost. And then you have to go through 2 fair value gaps. Overbought 5-minute. Overbought hourly. Overbought 3-minute. Should wait though. Should definitely wait. Because the market could have like a 100-point candle. Just not in my direction, I guess. Looks like the market wants shorts though. This is one of my things. You're getting antsy before market opens. Yeah, I don't really like to wait for the 10 a.m. candle because I feel like the 10 a.m. candle is what makes the move, but at least not all the time. Like, I don't make it a part of my strategy, at least. You know what I mean? Because I feel like once I start making things a part of my strategy and like plan and stuff, then I start missing moves when I would have just taken them naturally. So like I spend more time like trying to figure out what I can customize or what I could like plan to focus on what actually matters to change. I'd walk a million miles. Market's horny. The market's horny, man. Market is pumping nuts. What the fuck? Market, fart on the target, man. Got nothing to say. The shit. I'm cooked today, guys. I'm like very tired. Like very, very cooked, tired. I just want to get this shit over with today. So how's everyone's morning? How's everyone's day? How's everyone's life? Get the meta glasses. just in case there's like TikTok or something I want to make. I got some light dimming stickers. I got some light dimming stickers for my Meta glasses. So that's pretty dope. Alright. 5 minutes till open. And I mean, nothing really has happened. I really want to take shorts because this is like super vertical. But the higher it goes up, better my average for shorts, so whatever. I'm really thinking it's shorts today. I think the move is going to be shorts. Anytime we have stacked liquidity from London and Asia, we always fucking we love taking that shit in New York. And I would love a 200-point move. Would love that. Yeah, cleaning glasses gotta be the worst thing in the world. Gotta be like one of the top 3 like worst tortures. One of the worst tortures. Infinite cleaning. I send you to death of 1,000 rats. 1,000 rats and 10,000. I'm tired of shit. I'm gonna trade. I literally got up today just to trade because I was up until 2:30 in the morning last night Ubering. And I gotta work at 2 again, or 3. So I'm trying to like eat something and go to sleep again. I got those factor meals too. I got factor meals coming in on Monday. Oh, today's Monday. Shit. So I got some factor meals coming in today. That's pretty exciting. So I shouldn't have to starve at work anymore because I'm not pre-making my meals there. But I refuse to buy shit there, so I'd rather starve. Damn near vertical chart. No liquidity to sweep above us except AM session, previous day AM session. Got a final standing fair value gap between us and that high. I think it's gonna be really hard for the market to go all the way up here. It's a 200-point move. But I mean, at this rate, this point, this is basically a 200-point move too. I'm almost so confident in this that I want to top blast it. Like, I badly want to top blast this and short the market right now. It's within my strategy, so 5 minutes overbought. No gaps under us except from all the way down here. It's like these lows are the significance of this move. Market's really not that volatile a minute before close. It's just I probably got like one more trade in me before I have to deposit more money. Oh, we're just gonna wait for S&P 500 to take the high. Cause I bet you the S&P. So this is my theory right now. Ready, guys? Listen. So when I'm right, you can say I told you so. 9 a.m. is gonna drop. 9:30 is gonna drop. S&P 500 is gonna take this AM session high, but it's gonna probably create an SMT because that's 200 points away from us on NQ. So we're probably gonna fly the fuck up, capture this high. We just captured the high on ES. I'm gonna short the market right here. I mean, this is not my real TP, but because if we hit these lows and we act weird at these lows, then it might be better to just leave the position. So ES took these highs and where the fuck? Oh, and then there's those highs too, so we might get cooked actually. I don't know, it's hard to say. I can't see the stop, it's like kind of annoying. So this is why exactly I don't like to. Oh, hold on. Fuck. I'm in a predicament. Hello? What? It's rejecting my order.
Fuck it. No, fuck it now. Fuck it now. I would have closed that bitch at fucking 110 and reject my order. For what reason is it rejecting me closing an order? Now that's dumb as shit. I need to link up TradeSyncer on here so I can track my cash account. I'm not even using more than one account. It's just I like the journaling system on there and all that. Like the integration with everything else is really nice. The reason I wanted to get out was because we're so overbought in the 1 minute, but we ended up pushing lower anyway. The thing is, like I might have been right about this one, but I don't think we're gonna go get both these lows. Really don't think. I think about it every night and day. And again, I mean, this is technically the draw, but something's tripping. Something's tripping. That's looking good. What did I say, guys? What did I say? Who's watching right now? Nobody's watching, bro. Nobody is watching. Not a single person in the audience. And yo, I top blasted this account, or the top blasted this position, bro. Not a single person in my live. Zero audience. I mean, I had Cookies in here, he's OG. And I had somebody else watching. But nobody else, bro. Doubled my account. Doubled my account in a single day. Spent 10 minutes on cash. $122 P&L. Had 200. Started the day with $163 balance because of commissions and shit came out. Lit. All right. Now this is the part of trading that is the hardest. This is the part of trading that is the hardest. Because I have to walk away. And it's only 9:38 in the morning. But because in 18 minutes I managed to make what I make at work in 2.5 hours. Like once you say that out loud, like I need to get like go to the bank and withdraw a band and set it on my desk. So you can see, like you could see how much money you're making. And like physically touch it. Because I started with a $163 balance today. It was $210. A $210 net balance. $40 came out for commissions over the weekend because of the amount of trades I took originally on this account, or the last opening day, Friday. Took so many trades that the commission was $40, and it's like $5 per trade that gets taken off your profit. So like technically you made only like 115. Could have held. Look at that shit. Boom, boom, boom. Love that. But I literally bottom blasted this bitch from top to bottom. So made $122 cash money. Now I have a $286 balance. Now it's part of me is like, I still know the draw liquidity. I still know the draw liquidity for the day. And we're probably gonna blast all through this at 10 o'clock or at the 9:50 candle. But honestly, I didn't want to see that. I didn't want to see that. I was happy with seeing 175 down here in profit. And reality of it is, market has unlimited opportunity, and it's Monday. And there's hella news coming in all this week. So I'm not really worried. I'm not really tight about it because now I locked in with only using $5 of my only getting $5 taken away from my commission because I only took one trade today. 286. That means I can go in tomorrow with 2 contracts if I really want. I'll have more leverage on to use. And there's gonna be setups like this all the time. And price isn't even that good right now, honestly. I mean, it's moving really, really slow. But it's moving. It's definitely moving. It's not bad price action. It's definitely moving. It's good. But being in a position with all these draws, these 5-minute draws, and with how slow it's moving and up and down it is, and how little of a buffer it is, I'm going to be taking all the fucking loot that I can, or all the loot, all the money I can in this stage. Once I build up this account, if I do, that's when I'll be able to do things like that. But bro, what did I tell you guys? That's why it's important to look at ES too, or S&P, because I would not have at all thought after we pumped it near open that we were gonna turn around, until I saw S&P's gonna sweep out a high that we're not gonna be able to touch on on NQ. Once I was able to see that, because we're 200 points while S&P was actively, literally sweeping the draw liquidity. That made me have the conviction of it creating an SMT, which it didn't, but it's definitely unaligned. ES is moving a lot more, or NQ is moving a lot more dramatically. But overall, good day of trading. Made back what I lost on Friday. So accounts at basically square one. I'll load up Trade Sinker here. Trade Sinker doesn't have AMP. So I'm canceling it. Dang, Trade Sinker's pretty good on that shit. What's like the best trading journal? Anyone know? I heard TradeZilla is a good one. Oh, Zella. TradeZilla. You know what's weird about the market, I realize? On the 5 minute, there's a gap here. Right? In 3 minute, there isn't. Where is the gap? Where did the gap occur? In the 5. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Where did that occur? Should I get trades though? Glad I made my money when I did. Gotta have that market. You gotta have that. I think what I have a strong sense of is position management. Because a few of the guys that I learned like psychology from about trading, they talk. Look at the 3-minute, by the way. This is like bad price action. Looks bad. Just ranging out, not breaking out. It's 950 basically. But yeah, that emotional tie to money and shit like that definitely plays a part. I'll tell you that. Yeah, that emotional tie to money and shit like that definitely plays a part. I'll tell you that.
Bumbleclot. I don't know if
That
this is
emotional
better.
tie to money. Is this better? Is this better? And shit like that definitely plays a part. I'll tell you that.
Bumbleclot. I don't know if
That
this is
emotional
better.
tie to money. Is this better? Is this better? And shit like that.
Makes no difference.
Definitely. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end this here. Check out my Discord in the description if you're on YouTube. If you're on Discord, I'll be live tomorrow morning. This is Boo Boo Butt. I don't want to really trade this, and I already made my money for the day. So this is what profitability is. It's boring. It's ass. Made my money back though from Friday's loss. So we're starting fresh this week, and better than taking a loss. I'm about to go fucking